Las papitas fritas, las papas son la raíz. I used to be a ESL student. Knowing the struggles that I went through is what motivated me to become a bilingual teacher.
We are so excited. Miss Bernal was named Green and Clean Teacher of the Year. She was named by the National Institute of STEM Education and was certified in this program. She was also voted by her peers as Rayburn's Teacher of the Year.
I think my teacher gets this award because he's a great teacher and I like my teacher.
The way that she is so passionate about teaching really allowed that to bleed into my own classroom. And I feel very blessed, and I know I'm speaking to all the staff around campus when I say that we are very blessed to have her.
When I was in her class, I love that she would make us to do subjects of math and science. Her class was the best and it was really fun.
Conversamos que nos ayudaban las plantas.
My youngest son was my kindergarten student. He's a third grader now. All of my kids have been through the bilingual program, so I'm a firm believer of this program. It pushes me to continue to grow as an educator, and it makes me appreciate my job and the many opportunities that Prairie ISD has given me.